The roll of fate. Is it really random? Imagine you're rolling a die. 6 sides, 6 possibilities. Pure chance, right? Each roll seems random, unpredictable. You might get a 6, then a 2, then another 6. It feels like chaos. But what if I told you there's a hidden order within this chaos? Even in randomness, patterns emerge over time. Roll that die 100 times, 1,000 times. Record each result. You'll notice something fascinating. Each number appears roughly the same number of times. It's like an invisible hand guiding the chaos toward balance. This is the heart of pattern prediction. We find order in seemingly random events by looking at the bigger picture. It's like connecting the dots to reveal a hidden image. And the universe is full of these hidden images just waiting to be discovered. Hidden order in chaos, from traffic jams to flying formations. Think about rush hour traffic. It seems utterly chaotic. Cars jam together. But zoom out. Look at the traffic flow over days and weeks. Patterns emerge. Certain roads are always congested at specific times. Knowing this, we can predict traffic and find better routes. Nature is full of these hidden patterns too. Take bird migrations. Millions of birds flying thousands of miles, yet they arrive at their destination with astonishing precision. How do they do it? They follow patterns. The Earth's magnetic field, the position of the stars, even the wind. These examples show us that patterns aren't just about numbers and equations. They are the language of the universe, speaking to us through the movement of traffic, the flight of birds, and even the roll of a die. By learning this language, we can begin to unlock the secrets of prediction. Understanding these patterns can help us make sense of the world around us, from the seemingly random to the beautifully orchestrated. Whether it's navigating through a busy city or marveling at the precision of bird migrations, recognizing these patterns allows us to see the hidden order in what appears to be chaos. This knowledge empowers us to make better decisions, anticipate changes, and appreciate the intricate dance of life that unfolds every day. The pattern game, predicting your friend's next move. Let's play a game. I'll give you a sequence. Red, blue, red, blue, red. What comes next? Blue, right? You recognize the pattern red, blue repeating. Our brains are wired to find patterns, even in simple sequences. Now imagine a more complex pattern, like your friend's choices in a video game. They might favor certain characters, weapons, or strategies. By observing their past choices, you start to predict their next move. You're recognizing a hidden pattern in their behavior. This is called pattern entanglement. Our choices, even seemingly random ones, are often connected by invisible threads of preference, habit, and circumstance. Recognizing these threads is the key to unlocking the power of prediction in our lives. Imagine trying to predict something as complex as the stock market. It's a daunting task, filled with countless variables and unpredictable events. It seems impossible, with prices fluctuating like a roller coaster, rising and falling in ways that often seem random. But hidden within this chaos are patterns, market trends, company performance, even investor sentiment. These patterns can be subtle, but they are there, waiting to be discovered. By analyzing vast amounts of data, algorithms can identify these patterns, predicting market movements with surprising accuracy. This is the power of modern technology and data science. This is just one example of how pattern recognition is shaping our world. It's not just limited to financial markets, but it's not just about money or markets. The same principles can be applied to many other areas of our lives. Pattern recognition can even help us understand our own emotions. By observing our behavior, we can gain insights into our mental and emotional states. By tracking our moods, sleep patterns, and daily activities, apps can now predict when we might experience stress, happiness, or even a creative spark. This can help us manage our lives better. This might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming our reality. The integration of technology into our daily lives is making this possible. We are living in the age of data, where patterns hold the key to unlocking the future, from global events to our own personal experiences. The possibilities are endless and the future is bright. Don't worry, we're not diving into complex equations here. Instead, we're going to explore some fascinating concepts that are both intuitive and incredibly powerful. But there are cool mathematical tools that help us understand patterns in nature and everyday life. One such tool is called a Markov chain, a concept that might sound complex but is actually quite simple. Imagine a frog hopping between lily pads in a pond. Each hop represents a choice the frog makes. Each hop is a choice, but some choices are more likely than others. The frog might prefer certain lily pads over others. A Markov chain maps out these probabilities, showing us the most likely path the frog will take based on its preferences. This same principle can be applied to predict weather patterns, stock prices, or even the next word you type in a text message. It's all about understanding the likelihood of different outcomes. Another cool concept is information entropy, which is a bit like measuring the level of surprise in a system. Think of it as a measure of unpredictability. The more unpredictable something is, the higher its entropy. A coin toss has high entropy because it's 50-50. You can't predict whether it will be heads or tails. But a rigged coin toss, where heads always land up, has low entropy because the outcome is certain. There's no surprise there. By understanding entropy, we can identify hidden patterns and make more accurate predictions about various phenomena. The lower the entropy, the more predictable the event. This helps us in fields ranging from meteorology to finance, and even in understanding human behavior.